Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana blueberry bread. First, gather your ingredients. Begin by mashing 3 very ripe bananas in a large mixing bowl until smooth. Next, add 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of melted butter to the mashed bananas. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are well combined. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor of your delicious bread. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Once your dry ingredients are ready, gradually add them to the wet banana mixture. Fold gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. With your batter nearly complete, it's time for the star ingredient, blueberries. Gently fold in 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. If using frozen, do not thaw them first. Pour the finished batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake your banana blueberry bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your banana blueberry bread is golden brown and baked through, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents sticking. After 10 minutes, gently transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing it while warm is tempting, but cooling ensures perfect slices. Enjoy your homemade, easy banana blueberry bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.